What's up guys, Josh Candy here with Candy Gainz, and today I just want to do a quick video about one of our favorite foods that we can have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner that everyone I'm sure loves and knows, and that being eggs. A lot of people make them different ways, so I just wanted to put this quick little video together to show you how I make my scrambled eggs. Really easy, quick and simple, something that you can have for breakfast as a snack, something you can have for lunch. I like to eat eggs for breakfast and after I work out, and today I wanted to show you guys how I prepare my eggs. So let's jump into it. Alright guys, so I have a couple of vegetables here that I like to mix in with my eggs when I'm scrambling them. So what I have are spinach, green peppers, and onions. All are going to be minced and added into the eggs when I actually start scrambling them. So the seasonings that I like to use in my eggs are going to be pink Himalayan salt, turmeric, onion powder, and parsley. Well, this isn't even the seasonings. Onion powder, just accents on top of the actual onion that we're going to put into the egg, give it a little bit of that bold flavor to help it to pop. And then finally, turmeric. Turmeric has a lot of health benefit. Careful with this because it will stain your container. So if you're going to put it in a Tupperware container, just be aware that if you don't cook the eggs and eat them right away, it may stain the actual container. And you definitely want to be careful getting on your hands because it will stain your hands and clothes too. Bonjour. Welcome again. I am, as you say, Chef Gainz, and we will be cooking the eggs, the scrambled, beautiful eggs today. In the video, stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to use a non-stick pan today. However, I do like to still add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil just to add some extra healthy fats into the pan. I just add a dab, wait for that to heat up. You know when it gets hot because it'll start to spread itself. And that's it. This is all the vegetables that I have minced up. I did my spinach here, my onions, and my green peppers. So now we're gonna go ahead and add those into the eggs on the stove. I get it, you're hot, I get it. All right, so now we're about to go ahead and add the eggs to the pan. I usually like to keep the stove on a medium-high heat so that way it gives your eggs time to gradually cook as you're adding whatever you're putting into the eggs. So we're just gonna go ahead and put that in there. Get them all cooking. Just like that. And then you just add in your veggies. Alright, so now that we've added in all of our vegetables, some people like to add in cheese, but today we're just going to do a nice healthy scrambled egg with veggies. Put that in there. As you cook them, just turn the heat down just to make sure you give yourself time for your spinach to actually, wilt off the heat. So that's it. Now we're actually about to taste them. There you go. That's it. This is about 4 eggs. I'm gonna eat the rest of those later, probably for lunch. But yeah, that's it. Real easy and simple. So the only thing left to do is to try these bad boys out. Let's see what they're talking about. Make you a little scrambled eggs slider. Hello. Alright guys, so that sums up my cooking tutorial for today. It's a very simple recipe on how to cook eggs, so it's just something that could switch up from your regular way of preparing your scrambled eggs fried eggs, sunny side up, however you make your eggs. But like always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It really means the world to me when you guys actually subscribe to my channel. And when you watch the videos to the end, make sure you watch them to the end. Don't skip. Don't just watch the intro. Watch the entire video because you might learn something. And I like to plant little nuggets in my videos too, and you might miss them. Until next time, Gainz out.